Write down all the prime factors of 25,740. We take down solution. When we talk of a prime factor, we are simply referring to those factors of a given number which are prime numbers. Remember, a prime number is simply a positive integer which has two factors, with the factors being 1 and the number itself. For us to get the prime factors of the number 25,740, we are going to divide this number by its prime factors. We are going to make good use of the tabular form. We write down the number 25,740. You see this is an even number, ends with a 0. We draw our table. The first column of the table carries the prime factors, this column, while the second column we are going to write down the results after dividing. The number 25,740 is an even number. That means 2 is a prime factor of this number. Remember, 2 is the smallest prime number, which is an even number. You write down 2 here. We divide 25,740 by 2. It gives us 12,870. We separate them. The number 12,870 is an even number. It ends with a 0. That means 2 is a prime factor of this number. 12,870 divided by 2, it gives us 6,435. Separate them. The number 6,435 is not an even number. You can see the last digit of this number is 5, which is not an even number. We are to look for a prime factor of this number. You will see if we sum the digits of this number, 6 plus 4, it gives us 10, plus 3, 13, plus 5, 18, which is a multiple of 3. That means this number is divisible by 3. Remember our lessons on test of divisibility of numbers. If you can't recall anything on that, you can check the video from this channel you watch. You learn so much. The number 6,435 is a multiple of 3. We write 3 here. It means 3 is a prime factor of this number. 6,435 divided by 3 gives us 2,145. Separate them. The number 2,145 is still a multiple of 3. That means it is divisible by 3. We divide 2,145 by 3. It gives us 715. The number 715, the last digit of this number is a 5. That means this number is a multiple of 5, which it is divisible by 5. And 5 is a prime number. 715 divided by 5 gives us 143. The number 143 is a multiple of 11. That means 11 is a prime factor of 143. Remember, 11 is a prime number. 143 divided by 11 gives us 13. If you take 11 times 13, it gives 143. The number 13 is a prime number. That means the only prime factor of the number 13 is 13 itself. 13 divided by 13 gives us 1. When we reach 1, that means the division has ended. These are the prime factors of the number 25,740. You can see some of the prime factors they repeat, like 2, 3 repeats. Now it is very easy for us to write the prime factors of this number. Let's write down the prime factors. The prime factors of 25,740 is simply equal to, we are going to list the prime factors as the elements of a set. The first one is 2, comma, since 2 repeats, we are not going to repeat 2. We move to the next, which is 3, comma, the next, which is 5, comma, the next, which is 11, and lastly 13. We enclose the set. That means the prime factors of the number 25,740, they are 2, 3, 5, 11, and 13. We underline the answer. This is how we find the prime factors of a composite number by making use of the tabular method. If in case you have any questions on what we have just done, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.